What's up and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be discussing jewelry. So I turned 30 in October and my sister had purchased this beautiful opal, white gold, and diamond necklace for me. If you follow me on Instagram or you watch any of my YouTube videos, then you know I don't really switch up my jewelry at all, like ever in the last couple years. Because this piece is so special to me, I didn't want to wear it without pieces to go with it. So this box is from Moon Magic and I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the pieces. The box is super cute. I absolutely love the light pink aesthetic and everything came in its own packaging. A little fun fact about opal is you are not supposed to purchase it for yourself. This is a gem that is supposed to be given to you. So with the items that I picked out, they are Moonstone, so it's not opal, which is why I don't feel like I'm going to be cursed or have bad luck with this jewelry. They do ship worldwide, which I think is amazing. Oh my gosh, look how cute this packaging is. A little light pink velvet ring box, and then it says Moon Magic on the ribbon. How cute! So as I was taking these pieces out of the box, I noticed that it said that for every purchase, they plant a tree. So I want to do a little bit of digging because I think that is unreal. And their site says that they have planted over 325,000 trees. That's amazing. Look how beautiful. Are you kidding? How cute would this be to receive on Valentine's Day? So the ring I just showed you is the Twinkle Band, and I actually tried something very similar to this on in my January vlog when I was just going to pick out a 30th birthday anniversary present. And I'm happy with it. She is so cute. I am clearly a fan of simple, sparkly jewelry. So this ring is white topaz and sterling silver, and I picked it up in a size 6. That way I could just wear it alone. So white topaz is a stone of awareness, which I think we all kind of need around us lately. It is known to support clear thoughts and brings out your individuality, which helps me a lot in my everyday professional life. This ring was $45 and it is the least expensive item that I purchased. It's a great everyday ring though. Sorry about that, my camera battery ended up dying, and of course I'm in New England, so the sun sets at like 3 o'clock. Here we are. Can't wear a necklace and a ring without earrings. So here's the box that it came in. And then it comes in a little pink satin dust bag as well. I pretty much only stick to hoops, so I wanted to do something a little different this time. So I picked up these beautiful Moonstone and white topaz sterling silver earrings. So you can see they're a rectangle shape, and then you have the gems right on the front. So these retail for $125. Oh, those are pretty. I don't own anything like this. This is very different. Look how they're sparkling. These are gonna look so pretty with the necklace I'm wearing. These can definitely be worn casually or dressed up. I think the unique shape of them makes them a little fancier, but if I was wearing just like my white bodysuit under this and jeans, they would still look phenomenal. So I already went over what white topaz stands for, and that is in this ring and then in these earrings as well. But these also have a rainbow moonstone. So the rainbow moonstone is for new beginnings, and we're actually entering a new moon today on February 2nd. So this video is actually perfect. This is giving me like all of the best vibes receiving this package today, making this video. Fresh start, guys. The rainbow moonstone is also known as the traveler's stone. So it supports your inner balance and protects you on your journeys. I absolutely love. I hope these are picking up exceptionally well on camera. Oh, wow. Are you kidding? Look at all the colors that pick up. This is the adjustable moonstone ring. I picked it up in a size small, which is a 5 to 6. And it has the Moonstone, white topaz, and sterling silver. That way it would match with the Edgy Hoop earrings I picked out and kind of the set that I'm building out for when I wear this gift. Oh my gosh, I really like her. This would actually look really, really pretty paired with the Twinkle Band. It looks like a full set. It almost looks identical to like what I have, except obviously bigger. Look how pretty that is paired with that Twinkle Band. So you can see the difference and how it just sits right into it. Look how we're building out a set, and it's all dainty and all quality pieces. This ring was originally $99 and I got it for $77. I also love that it's adjustable because pretty much I have big knuckles, but all of my fingers are between a 5 and a 6. So I'll definitely be able to switch this ring around. It's cute. She's cute, 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 cute. The last piece is going to be something completely different. So if you follow my January vlog, you know that I like wearing two-tone. So white gold and yellow gold. And I recently just picked up a yellow gold everyday ring. So on days where I'm wearing that everyday yellow gold ring, I wanted another yellow gold ring to wear on my other hand, and this is where this one comes in place. This is the raw crystal ring in Ritzy rose quartz, and again, I got it in a size 6. So this clearly has a huge rose quartz in the center, followed with white topaz on the band, and then set in 14 karat yellow gold. I do love that the white topaz is like a very clean cut, but I also love that this rose quartz is more raw. So you can see that it actually just looks like a gem that was picked up from the ground, where this one is a lot more polished. I'm so pale that the pink is like blending in with my skin. So this ring retails for $110 and it is gorgeous. I clearly won't be able to wear the rose quartz ring with this other set that I've built out, but I did want to try something else from them. I wanted to see how their yellow gold would compare to my other yellow gold items. And the rose quartz is also my birthstone. So I am an October Libra baby, and this stone symbolizes love. And when I say symbolizes love, it means that it activates trust and harmony in a relationship, which would be another really, really, really cute, meaningful, and unique gift for Valentine's Day. I cannot believe how perfect this ended up being, this order. Typically, I really don't trust other jewelers and I stick to just whatever my husband buys me, but you gotta go out on a whim sometime, and I am very happy with all of this. That is going to be it for my Moon Magic jewelry haul. Thank you guys so much for watching, and before you go, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.